In front of me is Oukitel K13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to start by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Now select Close in this pop-up, and as you can see after that, location is off. If you want to turn it back on, just click on the same icon. But you can always go into settings as well. Scroll down and tap on security and location. Now scroll all the way down, select location here, and tap on this switcher next to use location feature to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!